Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand what is a pull request, how to create a pull request so that our feature branch can be merged into main branch. So let's jump into the action. As in the previous lecture, we committed code to our GitHub remote repo. GitHub says that our feature branch has code changes. We can see the code changes by comparing and creating a pull request for merging these changes into main branch. Before we do that, let's understand what is a pull request. Pull request is used to merge code changes present in a feature branch to main branch. Main branch is the one from which code is taken to the higher environment for deployment. The reason for creating a pull request is that not everybody can merge changes to main branch. Only architect will have the permissions to merge a feature branch to main branch, because architects will review your code, will see if it has any bug or not. Does your code follow all the company guidelines? If it is as per expectations, they will merge your code by accepting this pull request to the main branch. Once this pull request is approved by your architect, then only it will be merged in the main branch, so that incorrect code should not go in the production from this main branch. That's why the pull request is created. I hope you now understand what is a pull request. Let's see that in action. I'll click on compare and pull request button. Here you can see we are merging the changes from our feature branch, which is code changes for GitHub repo, to the main branch, which is our default branch, and from which the code is pushed to the higher environments. It can be staging, QA, or production environment as well. Right now you can see there are no code conflict, and we can merge our code changes from feature branch to main branch. To create this pull request, we will have to add a title to this pull request that explains the code changes that we have done. As you can see, by default, the commit message has been added as a title to this pull request. We also need to provide a description in this pull request that we have added a detailed explanation to the exception message so that the user can understand the error. Okay, that's why we are making this pull request and code change. Now we need to click on create pull request button, and now you can see this pull request is open. Once this pull request is open, it will go to the approvers, which will be the architects of your project. They will see the commit or the code changes that have been made by going into the commit and looking at the code. They will see the file changes, that which files have been changed, because in commercial environment there will be a number of files that are changed at a single time. As a security architect or enterprise architect, they will review your code. They will review your code. Once reviewed, and if they see that the code changes are fine, they will click on review changes button. They will provide a comment on this. They will provide their comments like approve or denied, and they will submit their review. Once they approve your pull request, they will merge this pull request by clicking on merge pull request button. Since I'm a single user who is making the code changes, approving the code changes, and merging these code changes, we are looking at these errors, that there is one review required from another person. But since I do not have someone else, I will click on merge without waiting for requirements to be met and click on bypass rules and merge. I'll click on confirm bypass rules and merge these changes, and you can see the pull request has been successfully merged and closed. But in the real environment, since there will be someone else who will review and approve, they will get the message that this pull request can be merged into master branch, and they will merge that feature branch into master branch or main branch. Once the feature branch has been merged, you need to delete this branch in order to save space on your server. And that's how you merge your code changes in your main branch from feature branch. I hope you now understand the entire process of cloning a repo, making code changes, staging your changes, committing your code to local branch and then to remote branch, and then creating a pull request for merging your code changes to main branch. I hope you have enjoyed this process. You have learned the entire life cycle of GitHub repo. I hope you have enjoyed this video series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.